Hey, welcome back to Skillers BIM Revit course. In this video, we'll learn how to draw floors, how to customize and modify it. So let's get started. To draw floors, go to the plan view of where we want to draw the floor. I want it on my plinth level, so I'm clicking on plinth level. This is the floor plan. Go to architecture tab. Click on floor. In the drop down we find floor architectural. Click on architectural, and the modifying options for this floor gets up here. Here in draw we can see there are many options by which we can use them and draw our floors. So let me select the line and start drawing. I want them to be inside to inside, so just trace wherever you want your floor to be. I'm drawing a complete floor for this plan, but you can draw floor separately for every room. Click on and the floor is created, right? So this is in the generic form. If I want to modify its properties or if I want to change its boundaries, I can go to edit type. Okay, I can't do it in my 3D view, so I'll go to my plan view. Here, if I have to modify anything or if I want to change anything, I can do it here. Right? So click on finish mode and it's done. Now go to 3D view. I want to change the material of my floor. Okay, and before that, if this floor is a load bearing one, see, because when we are constructing our in first floor, second floor, all the slab becomes our floor, right? So it is a structural one. So when we are drawing the floors, we have to be careful that if it is a load bearing one, we have to check this that is, in properties we have to make sure that the structural is checked. Okay, otherwise if it is purely for our architectural purpose of to visualize the material of realistic view, we can uncheck it. It is not necessary, but when it is a load bearing one, we have to make sure that it is checked in. Okay, so now to change the material from generic, I want to place a marble tile. Okay, so I'll go to edit type, duplicate, rename it. I want it to be floor 1. Okay, go to edit. Here in structure, by category, it is showing material as by category. I want it to change it, so I'll click on the 3 dots beside it. I'll go to add new material. Click on the drop down, you get create new material. I'll click on create new material. It shows default new material. I want to rename it. Left click, rename. I wanted floor marble. Okay, I renamed it as floor marble. Now I want to assign my material to it. For this generic material, I want to assign marble, right? So that what I should do, I should click on asset browser. Click on asset browser. Here I have options for this. I'll click on either desktop. Okay, in desktop we can see there are many materials. So select the one which you need, I want it to be stone. Under stone I want marble. So I want this material to be applied to my floor. So I'll click on apply. Okay. Here, after that, I want to change the thickness of the floor marble. That is, it takes the thickness, say I want it to be 30 mm. Click, type 30, click on OK, apply and OK. Let's see in realistic view. So this is how my floor material has been changed. Okay, and sometimes we also need to give the slope to our floors, right? That we can do by using this. Click on the floor, draw the floor wherever we want, click finish edit mode. Here beside the draw we have slope arrow, right? Click on the slope arrow, show the slope from where to where you want. In this direction, I want my slope to be in this direction. Click on the finish mode, and I cannot see that in my plan view. For that I will have to go to my elevation view. See, in elevation I can see that there is a slight slope for the slope. Now what if we have a irregular wall to which we have to place our floor? To that, to trace the edge of the slab or the floor, I have to go to architecture, click on floor architectural. Here, instead of drawing all the instead of using these, I can use either pick line or pick walls. To make my task very easy, I'll click on pick walls. Just pick the walls. Just make sure that it is a continuous one. Okay, so if I just click on the wall, it will consider the inner face of the wall to trace the edge of the slab. See, at the curves also it has taken it accurately, but if we have to draw, it would be a huge task for us. So once you trace, once you select all the walls, once it is a closed loop, click on finish mode, and the floor is created. But the thing is, the floor is created in ground level because I was in my 3D view when I was drawing it. So it has taken ground level by default. To change its level, what I can do, click on the floor, go to constraints, here in under the level, click plinth. Okay, so this is it. See you in the next video.
Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. We offer full BIM Revit courses. Details are given in the description. And also there is a quiz on this video's topic. Give it a try. See you in the next video.